In this video we are going to see how to create a speed type macro, so a macro that changes the speed of the clip in timeline. Right-click, create a new macro with wizard, go to edit page. Speed, select, here we can change the speed rate, so I want to do it 50% and put the speed rate. Here we can decide whether to change the ripple timeline or not. Here if to enable the freeze frame. Here we can enable pitch correction, here we can enable the change keyframe. And here we can decide whether to apply the changes by closing the panel. Let's see a speed rate of 50 with the ripple timeline. What happens? Apply. I select this clip. I click on the macro that we have just created. This one, I click, you see it is changed. Let's see what has been done. It has changed the speed to 50% and it has activated this ripple timeline. In case we wanted to activate a function to add to this row a function of retome scaling. So we practically decide to add to the speed change also the optical flow, we do in this way. We enable retome process, optical flow, save. We select this other clip, we click. In addition to the change speed, the optical flow has also been applied. For speed that's all, thank you.